Alright, so it's like 100 degrees out here. I'm going to try to put this tent together and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. I got the tent up. It is not fully staked down, as you can see, but this took me about 10 minutes. There's 3 large windows, and then the front door is massive. It only has one door, so one way in, one way out. This is a cube 6.4, so it's supposed to sleep 6 people, and then the .4 stands for 4-legged friends, which is why it has a doggy door. We're going to try to use that as an air conditioner vent. This seems to be made very well. The zippers are nice. All the corners are adjustable. The other straps have elastic, so there's some give to it. There's O-rings all around the top so you can hang your gear. There's also a few pockets. And like I said, it has a doggy door. And we are so excited to take this thing camping.